In this video, we're going to cover how to replace a laptop screen. This is a basic unit where there is a front plastic bezel that's held in by 6 screws. Each of these screws has a screw cover on top of them that needs to be pried off. On this unit, the 2 central top screw covers are not covering any screws, so there are only 4 screws to remove at each corner. Once all the screws have been removed, we can pry open the plastic bezel out front. This must be done carefully to not damage the plastic underneath. With a bit of pressure, I will pull out the bezel from underneath. The screen is held into place, in this case, by 3 screws along the side, on both sides. With all 3 screws removed from the right side, the screen is now loose, and we'll repeat the process on the other side. Now that all the screws have been removed, we can see that the screen is connected via data cable up here, and an inverter cable here that feeds into this green bar, which is the inverter. This is what feeds power to this screen, and this is what feeds the image or the data to the screen. If you were replacing the screen, you would simply unplug both cables, insert the new screen, test that it's still working by turning it on, and then repeating the process that we just performed in reverse. Once the screen is screwed back onto the brackets, you can replace the front bezel. Impose it in its place, and then press down carefully along the sides until it clicks in.